Airalo Lebanon eSIM pricing explained what you get for your money. Airalo provides eSIM solutions for Lebanon, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is complicated or locked to long-term plans. The surprising truth is that Airalo offers flexible, pay-as-you-go options based on data needs. Plans start at around for 1 GB valid for 7 days, perfect for short visits. You won't believe the larger packages up to 10 GB or more are available, valid for a month, often with high-speed ALC coverage and no hidden roaming fees. Some plans also allow hotspot sharing, making it a versatile solution for travelers. Most people get this wrong by not checking device compatibility or assuming unlimited data comes standard, knowing the exact plan duration and data cap is essential to avoid extra charges. Activation is instant, with no physical SIM needed, which is ideal for travelers landing in Lebanon. In conclusion, Airalo Lebanon eSIM pricing is simple, flexible, and transparent. By understanding data sizes, plan durations, and optional features like hotspot sharing, you go from zero to pro in staying connected while exploring Lebanon without surprises.